The designer of one of the world's largest 3D printers says he's been left destitute after a bitter business dispute. Melbourne man Jason Simpson built and designed the printer and claims a prominent businessman said he'd help make him rich. But after a falling out, Jason Simpson lost his designs and his income. And as Josie Taylor reports, company watchdog ASIC is now investigating.
He's the tech whiz who invented one of the world's biggest 3D printers.
I had a passion for learning new things and for technology.
In 2014, Jason Simpson was approached by John Kennedy, the managing director of medical imaging company Capital Health.
What the doctor has ordered?
The two men started a company called 3D Group.
He assured me that he'd make me very rich and that he had the skills that was needed to take the company not only to the ASIC but to make it very, very profitable.
Mr Simpson signed over his intellectual property for about 15% of the company, a directorship and a generous salary. He claims Mr Kennedy's $100 million medical imaging business was tipped as a future client.
This sounded like a good source of work.
But within months, the company was floundering as Jason Simpson struggled to get his 3D printer working. On Christmas Eve, Mr Kennedy wrote the designer an email saying the company had no money and had to go into voluntary administration.
To put it simply, 200k is yours up until 5 p.m, or the reality is you get nothing.
Jason Simpson refused and 3D Group collapsed.
2 weeks later, John Kennedy registered a new company called 333D, based here in Port Melbourne. He bought all of 3D Group's assets, including Jason Simpson's designs, and paid out creditors. Months later, this new company struck a deal with the Australian Football League to develop 3D merchandise.
Mr Kennedy declined to be interviewed but indicated he disputes Mr Simpson's claims. The ABC understands company watchdog ASIC is now investigating the administration of 3D Group. Jason Simpson admits he should have done things differently.
Keep a closer eye on them. Get a bit more advice.
He says he now lives on Centrelink benefits. Josie Taylor, ABC News.